The Raspberry Pi is a really interesting piece of kit. It's a great way to deploy small applications rapidly in your industrial environment. But if you want to go further than just a protocol over an adapter, you need to install FlowFuse. Hey there, my name is Christopher Sandoval. I'm a developer relations advocate here at FlowFuse. And today I'm going to show you how to deploy FlowFuse on a Raspberry Pi. Installing FlowFuse on a Raspberry Pi is ridiculously easy. All you have to do is go to the link in the description below and grab the installation script provided by FlowFuse. Now, assuming you're already connected to your Raspberry Pi, you can go ahead and paste the script directly inside your terminal window. This script is going to start the installation process and start downloading all of the required dependencies and setting up your device. Just let this process run for a couple minutes so that every piece gets installed in the right place. You don't have to babysit this installation, but you should let it run for a couple minutes just to make sure that it installs correctly. Now, when you first install the device agent, it's going to auto start its service. The problem is that you need to make sure that the service starts every single time, even when you reboot the device. So simply grab the command in the description below and run it to make sure that your service starts every single time. Now that we have the device agent installed, we need to actually connect it to FlowFuse itself. To do this, simply go to FlowFuse.com and click the Sign In button. Now this process is going to look very familiar if you set up FlowFuse devices in other ways before. You're going to go ahead and click Add Instance in your Remote Instances area. From here, enter a name, add any information about the type of device if that's applicable, and select the application that you want it to belong to. The next screen is going to give you an actual installation path. Click Install via npm, and then look at the section that says Connect Agent to FlowFuse. You'll notice that this command has 3 words separated by hyphens. This is a sort of private passkey that you're going to be able to use to enroll your device in your FlowFuse account. Copy this command as you're going to be using it in the next step. Now back in your terminal window, just paste that copy command and let it run. It's going to take a little bit of time, so just let it run its course and answer any prompts as they pop up. Once the process has run its course, go to flowfuse.com and look at your remote instance. If you enable developer mode and then click Open Editor, you can see what this looks like once it's actually deployed. And here you go, you have your FlowFuse instance ready to go, ready to handle all of your data, and ready for you to import all of your flows. So as you can see, this is a really easy and quick way to deploy FlowFuse on any Raspberry Pis that you might have in your industrial environment. But you're not just limited to the Raspberry Pi. Check the link in the description below to find all sorts of installation guides and resources for your individual deployment models. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving us a like, comment, or subscribe. And if this piqued your interest for FlowFuse, head on over to flowfuse.com to start your free 14-day trial. This has been Christopher Sandoval. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.